Good morning, my name is Klaudia Bielińska. I would like to give you a short introduction how to download satellite data using CREODIAS platform and how to visualize them in QGIS software. CREODIAS is a public cloud computing platform, providing an open and free access to Earth observation data and tools for its visualization and processing. It was built and is operated by CloudFerro company under the Copernicus program, managed by European Space Agency. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use QGIS desktop software. I would like to highlight that QGIS is also available on CREODIAS platform. Using cloud environment capabilities is a certainly good solution for more advanced time and space consuming processes. Let's start with CREODIAS platform. First of all, if we want to find the dataset and download it, we have to be registered user. If we have already our user account, we can simply log in. But if we don't, please click the register button. We are logging in. And now we can start using EOFinder application. So from tools, we choose EOFinder. EOFinder is a really helpful application to find the datasets of our interest. Here in the search criteria, we can indicate the name of the place from which the datasets we are looking for, name of the city, name of the country, name of an island, actually almost everything. Here in this field, we indicate the time when the data were captured. In the published time, we indicate the time when the data were published. So we will indicate the observed time. So starting from the 1st of July and finishing on today. Very important thing is to indicate cloud cover. Of course, the best imagery would be without clouds, but sometimes it's just impossible. So let's indicate here 5% of cloud cover, and I'm sure we will find a nice imagery. The next step is to choose collection. So from this list, we can choose satellites or products we want to use. We will use Sentinel-2. Then we have to indicate processing level. We will choose level 2A. Then we can move. We can use polygon selection, point selection, or upload our polygon to find the area of our interest. We will choose polygon selection. Let's move on the map to the area we want to find the data from. I will find the data from Italy, from Venice. Let's zoom in and let's draw polygon over this area. With simply 4 clicks, we have a polygon, and now we can move to search. Here we received the list with the datasets available from this region and from this time. We can check the first one. If we like it, we can just simply download it to our computer. And after downloading the imagery, we can move to QGIS to visualize the data. The next step is visualization of the downloaded dataset in QGIS environment. QGIS is one of the GIS and remote sensing software available. If you are familiar with other software, please feel free to use any other software. In QGIS, let's start the new project. So from here we open new project. Then we have to add new layers to this project. So let's go to menu layer and then add layer, add raster layer. Then we should move to the folder with our datasets. So the Sentinel-2 folder is here and it's unpacked. Now we have to go to granule folder. This is the folder where the tiles are kept. So we open L2A folder and then we open image data. As you know, Sentinel has different bands in different resolutions, and they are divided by 10-meter resolution, 20-meter resolution, and 60-meter resolution. We will work with 10 meters resolution, so let's open it. To our project, to our layer, we will choose 4 Sentinel bands. It will be band 2, band 3, 4, and 8. So bands from the visible spectrum and also near infrared. let's add them, and let's add them to the project. Close. As you can see, the Sentinel band is now displayed in a grayscale. Here we can see all of the layers, one by one. We should now combine a few layers together to get a colorful imagery. So let's go to Raster and then Miscellaneous and build Virtual Raster. To this Virtual Raster, we will import layers, we will import bands. We will select them all and we will run the process. Close. After it's done, we can see colorful imagery. Now we can change the symbology of the channels of the bands. Let's go here, double-clicking, and to Symbology. Here we can choose different band combination. Let's choose RGB combination. So first will be band 3, then band 2, and the last one, band 1. This will be a real-life color visualization. Let's click OK. So now you can see the visualization RGB. You can also enhance the visualization with just simply changing brightness, saturation, and contrast. We can brighten up a bit our imagery. Here, OK. And this will look like this. So if you would like to cut a part of your imagery, you can do it here. From the menu above, Raster, then Extraction, Clip Raster by Extent. And then we should choose Draw on Canvas. We will just draw a polygon on this imagery just to cut a part of this image. So let's draw a polygon and it will be soon cut it. Let's run the process. After the process is done, we can see the cutted imagery here added to the map window. We can also change a bit its symbology, the visual aspect. So let's move to Symbology and change again the channels. So we have RGB colors, so band 3 to 1, and a bit brightness. Okay, so this imagery is now ready. We can perform other processes on this imagery, like classification, but at this moment we can also save this imagery. So we should now go to clipped image and export. Save as. We can save it as a rendered image. It will be saved as a GeoTIFF, but here you have also a list of other available formats. We will leave GeoTIFF. We will find a place for it. We will call it Venice and S2 for Sentinel-2, and we can write it and we can save it here. Soon it will be saved and we can visualize it on our computer. With just few steps, we have created really nice image of Venice captured by Sentinel-2 satellite. To find out more about CREODIAS platform, please visit our website and see how easy it is to work in cloud environment with Earth observation data.